Hello, you are most welcome to Technical Pathfinder, the Learning Center. In numerical series, we are going to solve one more numerical from electrical machines. See, this series will be helpful for electrical BTech second year and third year students and also helpful for GATE as well as IES aspirants of electrical engineering. In example 6.9, it is given that a three-phase star-connected 400 volt 50 Hz 4-pole induction motor has the following constants, which is referred to stator: R1, X1, R2, X2 and magnetizing reactance Xm is given. Then fixed losses is given 400 watts, which include core loss, friction and windage losses. We have to find the stator current, rotor speed, output torque and efficiency when the motor is operated at rated voltage and frequency at a slip of 4%. This is the equivalent circuit of three-phase induction motor as given in the problem. We can find stator current I1 from calculating stator impedance from input side ZAB. It is the equivalent impedance from input side which can be evaluated first taking this series addition, then this is cascaded with parallel with J 28.5 ohm, and after this connection, parallel connection, this is added with this in series. So ZAB can be determined 3 plus J 0.45. This is in parallel with J 28.5 ohm, and the whole this impedance is in series with 0.15 plus J 0.45. So this is the impedance at input side ZAB. In the next step of simplification for ZAB, the parallel combination of rotor and magnetizing circuit leads to 2.87 plus J 0.738, where 2.87 is the real part representing capital R. It is the equivalent resistance of the two circuit, magnetizing and rotor circuit, and J 0.738 representing the reactance of the parallel combination of two circuits. The combined impedance ZAB is equal to 3.02 plus J 1.18, and in the polar form it is 3.25 angle 21.47. In the problem, stator current is asking, so stator current I1 is equal to phase voltage divided by ZAB. Here phase voltage is 400 by root 3 and ZAB is 3.25 angle 21.47. Value of current is 71.06 and angle is minus 21.47. So it is lagging from the phase voltage by angle 21.47 degree. From here we can find power factor is equal to cos of angle between voltage and current is 21.47. It is equal to 0.93 lagging. From here we can find now the power input of the circuit. Power input will be equal to 3 into V phase into I1 into cos of phi, means power factor. So 3 into V phase is 400 by root 3. I1 is 71.06 and power factor is 0.93. From here, input power is equal to 45.78 kilowatt. Rotor speed is asking in the problem. So rotor speed can be find. First we have to find the synchronous speed. It is 120 F upon P. So 120 into 50 divided by 4. It is equal to 1500 RPM. Now given the slip is equal to 4% or 0.04, running speed equal to 1 minus S into Ns equal to 1 minus 0.04 into 1500. It is equal to 1440 RPM. The power input to the stator of the three-phase induction motor, after stator loss we get the power which is known as air gap power or PG. Air gap power can be determined by using the formula 3I1 square into capital R, where capital R is the equivalent resistance of parallel combination of the two circuits of magnetization and rotor circuit. It is equal to 2.87 and I1 is 71.06. So the resultant air gap power is 43.476 kilowatt. After rotor copper loss in rotor circuit, the mechanical power developed can be determined from air gap power equal to 1 minus S into Pg, and slip is equal to 4%. So after applying the formula we get mechanical power developed is 41.73 kilowatt. Power at the shaft will be obtained subtracting the fixed losses from the mechanical power developed. The resultant will be 41.33 kilowatt at the shaft. Next one in the question asking the output torque. So torque is equal to P shaft divided by omega R, where omega R equal to 1 minus S into omega S. Omega S is the synchronous speed in radian per second. 1 minus 0.04, and omega S can be determined by 2 pi into Ns divided by 60. So rotor speed is 0.96 into 50 pi radian per second. Torque will be equal to P shaft is 41.33 kilowatt divided by 0.96 into 50 pi. It is equal to 274.12 Newton meter. The last one is asking the efficiency of the motor. So efficiency of induction motor will be equal to shaft power divided by input power into 100. It is in percentage. So shaft power is 41.33 divided by input power is 45.78 into 100. It is equal to 90.38%. That's all in this session. We will take some more problems in next videos, and if anyone have some doubts then ask in comment section. I will try to rectify it. Thanks for watching. Stay connected and keep practicing.